Are you satisfied with what we've accomplished this week in France?
It's not just satisfied, I'm blown away by the result we achieved together.
It's truly something exceptional, a complete immersion. We're talking about 5 to 6 very intense days with lots of hours. I think the main thing is the personal commitment. You have to be very open. We go through step by step, day after day.
With a very busy schedule, there's a lot of work, a lot of writing and thinking to do. So basically, this service offer is broken down into several parts. So here we have several blocks in this offering.
So here we have all kinds of expertise assigned on a half full-time basis. It actually feels like more than full-time when you count all the team hours in
Well,
the
I
week.
can't do the work for the client. It's really the client who has to do it with his determination. She says, I know it, but I'm going to aim higher. I'm going to reach the levels I set for myself.
Really, the service is exceptional. It can be adapted on several levels. I think you're so high level that you've kind of come down to my level, but others who are already at the higher level would benefit from it too. I think people should take these services, this experience, these packages, but they should especially invest within it, invest on multiple levels to get that payoff.
I find that once the decision is made and the precautions are taken, paying is a form of decision as well. And I really think the step that determines success is that decision.
When I first arrived, I focused on developing my concept, dedicating myself to refining it. Once it was completed, I knew it was a great concept, but the challenge was how to publicize and distribute it effectively. While I'm comfortable with posting on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, I have dabbled a bit in email marketing. The technical side is in my strongest suit. However, the strategic plan I was introduced to is incredibly powerful, far beyond what I had been doing on my own. It's truly a solid and serious business launch method, capable of establishing a large company and driving it forward.
You had a vision of, okay, we're going in that direction. During the week, okay, oh no, in the end you adapted. You thought of doing, oh no, we'll do it like this. With what was happening or the discussions or the ideas. Oh no, let's do it this way instead. I think it'll be better, I think it's preferable, and I think we'll change direction a bit. Even if you had a predefined plan. Okay, we will adapt, as you say. You adapt to the situation, to what is happening, to what is conveyed, so we are onto something. Okay, we discard that option, we go towards this. That, in essence, is personalization. That's really it. It's not just a program, we're going for it. No, it's
You
personalization.
adjusted, you reorganized the schedule, even if it means more work for your team. Well, no. Look, this is what you need. This is what we're putting in place, really. What more could you ask for?
Yes.
But this is it.
With the mechanics too, it's like we put the strategy in everything.
Combining these resources is just perfect. If I had a technical issue that also involved strategies, having someone who understands both aspects is invaluable. If I had to rely on two different people, it would be more challenging and less cohesive. But with this method, everything works seamlessly and the service is to the highest quality.
Martine and Alan say, we are here for you, we will support you. Well, it's true, because we experience it, live. We were witnesses to that. So, who better than when we don't know there's something we've heard about? We put things into action. Then we saw results.
It's hard. How much money would I have wasted training to make videos, training for that, and then you're on your own because everything is on Zoom virtually, but there was no support. Then you were here with us for a week. You explained things to me. You had the patience to explain. You did all the background work that I never could have done. And maybe it would have taken me, I don't know, in 10 years, I might still be at the same point, maybe worn out from health and work. No, I'm really satisfied. because you are truly a disciplined team. And when you are committed, you are committed. You are the best for your customers. We could have done the work even remotely. It would not have had the same result. Because I really needed someone to point it out, I wouldn't have been able to identify what was holding me back. It really shifted things. Really believe. Absolutely. It's so important to be together for a week. Because you see, I didn't even realize that I was speaking negatively about myself. But you were there. You are a mentor.
It's truly your calling.
I felt truly supported because you are really patient. It's really important because when you're not used to the technique, it takes you longer than someone else. You repeated to me, you showed me things, then afterwards I applied them. And what I liked is that you let me do it. That's also important. You let me do things so that I become aware and know how to do it. That is to say, when I leave tomorrow, I will know how to do it. I will know how to organize files. I will know how to do things that I will need in my future. So it is really important I would tell them to go for it and invest in your life, because you can't get results without investing. We have no choice. We need to be surrounded by a team, and that makes all the difference. And I have seen all these years, you've always been my mentor, and I've seen how you've transformed me from a caterpillar to a butterfly. This investment for the business is important, but for the mindset, it's crucial. My investment has never been swept under the rug or anything. I've always grown. That's why today I've taken this leap of faith.
Really, because I know that this investment is a real investment.
This week was intense. And if I had stayed at home to do all that, I honestly don't think I would have managed. Don't forget, I have 5 children at home around me, and there are always plenty of chores to do at home. So that's why I decided to take a week off to come here and focus entirely on this. And if I had done that, I doubt I'd be launching my business now. It probably would have taken me a year if you condense all the little moments I could have spent working at home. So in one focused week, it's clear how intense and productive it was. It was absolutely worth it. It's a major task accomplished. The work plan for the week was incredibly clear. I knew exactly what needed to be done, and each step was checked off one after the other. Yes, it was a lot of work, but I felt like I was making significant progress the entire time. I never felt overwhelmed and always knew where I was headed. Every task was executed day by day, and following the plan was straightforward. I knew each day what I had to do. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It was extraordinary. I couldn't have asked for more.